Hi team, my name is Hanmant. In the previous video, we have seen that filter method. Okay, what is the use of filter method and what it internally contains and what it used as an argument. Okay, filter internally uses means argument is nothing but predicate functional interfaces. So that predicate functional interfaces is having only one method. Abstract method is nothing but Boolean test. Okay, so applying the some filter condition on a particular data, we will use that filter. Okay, this is used to filter the data based on some condition. These are the examples we have seen in the previous video. So in this video you are going to learn about the map method. Okay, that is also an part of Java asset features only. So what I will do, I will remove these lines. Okay, this code I will remove. I will keep this code here. I will keep this code Control X on the notepad. In further use, if you want to use this one, then we will use. Okay. So first of all, I want to give here some information regarding the map method. Commenting this one, map method. What is the map method? What it internally contains, and also what will do exactly with this map. Okay, so basically map method is used to perform or apply the operations on every element in a sequence. If you are taking some of the strings or some of the integers, numbers, whatever it may be, if you want to apply on that particular elements, strings, names, whatever it may be, to apply some operations on that particular element, then we will use the map method. So map method is used to perform perform or apply the operations, apply the sorry the operations on every element in sequence. Okay, in sequence means one by one. This is the use of map method. So basically map method contains internally it contains means what it contains, or it will take internally it takes the the function. Okay, function, what is this function? This is nothing but a function is nothing but functional interface. Functional interface. Okay, functional interface it will take. So that functional interface, it is having only one abstract method. That method name is nothing but what? Apply. Okay, it will take, okay, it will take input as a t and it will return output as a r. After applying some operations on element, it will return some values. So that means, see, this is how it will do. This r means it will returns. Okay, apply. Inside that, if you will provide some input to that. So this is internally, if you are using the map method now, then you are internally we are providing the implementation for this apply. Okay, what we will do, we will apply some operations on this particular thing and it will give some result. Like that map method will work. So for that, first of all, what I will do, we will take one simple example. Okay, first of all, what we will do, we will take some simple example. Okay,
Bro, I think coding isn't for me. I'm better off sticking with.
So we are going to take here an example. In this first for what I will do, I will take an simple example. Okay, so I'm going to take here one list of strings. Okay, list of string, list of string. So string, I'm going to take some of the names or places. I will take place or names. I will take names. Okay, names. Names is equal to arrays. Arrays as a list. Array dot as a list. I'm taking some of the names as a list. Okay. So the names are nothing but what? What I will take? I will take Shahrukh, my favorite one. When I was a child at that time, my Salman Khan is my favorite one. Okay. Salman. So that the second one is Shahrukh. After that, Saif, Saif Ali, Saif Ali. And after that, शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, सैफ अली खान और कौन खान है यार? और एक खान है हमारा आमिर खान, आमिर. Okay, these are the names I am taking for these examples. Okay, so I want to apply some uh, operations. I want to do on this, but on this value names. No, I want to do some of operations. Okay, so this is only the name. I want to add some extra string to this name. So how I will do? So for that, what I will do? I will take names dot string. Using string, you just do the perform operations. Huh? Okay, we are not able to add, delete, undo all those things. Okay, we will add, apply some of the operations means functions. Okay, map, filter, and other reduce, for each, all these things we will use when we use this string. Okay, we will going to creating a pipeline of the data. So after that, what I will do? I will do dot with string. Then after that, what are you going? Map, using map. So map, inside that, what I will do? I will add, what is this? These are the names, right? In the previous video, you have seen that there are how to do the lambda expressions too. If you want to do some operation or whatever it may be, if you want to use lambda expression, how we will use? We will use arrow before that argument list. I'll take name only. So after that, I want to add in these names. These are the names. But if you consider single element, then it become a name only. So in this Salman, I want to add Khan. Okay, surname. So what I will do? I will take name plus I will give some space. Okay, then Khan. Okay, it will work, right? Khan. So what it will do? It will add, right, name plus it will add something. So after that, what I do? I will do for each. For each here, what I will use name only, because after applying this what applying this function on this particular name, we will get the names only, right? Names. But here you are performing one by one. For each means one by one you are performing. So what you will do? You will print that name. Okay. Name. Yes, out. Yes, out. That name only. So before that, see. Before that, what we have names. So names, after applying streams, we are creating some pipelines. So after creating pipelines, we are adding this map method. So map method, what it will do, it will apply these operations one by one. Name, using, we are using name means these are the list of names, so it will apply one by one. First it will take Salman. Inside Salman it will add this Khan, and second time it will, what it will do, it will take this Shah Rukh, right? It will take this Shah Rukh and apply Khan. Okay, so one by one, and also once it completes, it will give to this for each, for printing purpose. So like that we are using this one. So what I'll do, I will save it. Okay, we will see if it is giving exact output or not. Okay, first of all I will clear this thing, and after that I will compile the code. Compile successfully and run the now. See, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Saif Ali Khan, and Amir Khan. These all three Khans we have printed successfully. Four Khans. Okay, Bollywood. And this is how we will use the map method. This is a simple example. So after that, what I will do, I will use some of the integers. Okay, this is the first example. Okay, in this, what I'll do, I'll use some of the numbers as an integer. Integer. So here, what I'll use integer. I'll use marks. Okay, marks. I want to do some operation on marks. Okay, I want to add some marks into whatever data we have inside that. I want to add some additional data. Okay, so arrays dot as list. Inside that I will use some data. 38, 38, 42, 50, 56, 47, and 78. Okay, like this I will add marks inside the list as an integer. Okay, so what I will do here, I want to use the map, right? This one I want to apply some operation on this particular values. So what I'll do, what I need to do, I need to use that marks dot marks. After that I will give string dot stream. Okay, after applying stream I want to use the map. So in this map, what I'll do, actually, yeah, see marks we have taken. So here what we will do, what we did, names. Okay, we are performing operations on names, so that's why if you want to perform on single name, this single name, then you will took, right? It is a good practice to use like this only. So what I'll do here, I will use as a mark, and this mark. Okay, what I will do, I will add mark plus, I will add some extra marks from board side. Okay, these are the, consider as an example, these are the marks which are obtained by the student. Okay, and these are marked for different subject. So what I will do, from board side I am going to add some of the 5 marks. Okay, whatever mark took got by the student, inside that I want to add some extra 5 marks. So like this, if I want to add, I will use this function map method like this. After that, what I will do, I will use dot for each. For each, here also I want to use mark yes out, and mark one by one I will print. See, this is like how we will use the map. So what it will do, it will add, okay, this mark, this, consider this the first mark. Okay, one by one, as I mentioned here. Okay,
the operations on every element in sequence one by one. Sequence means one by one. First, it will what it will do? It will add 5 marks in 38. 38 plus 5, 43. 43, what it will do? It will print. And second time, and it will take 42 plus 5, 47, and it will print. Like this, it will print. Okay. I have saved this and I will run this. See 43, 47, 55. Okay. 61, 52, 83. Like that, mark are added. 5 marks are added in this marks. Like this only we will use. 1 minute. In the next example, what I do, what I need to do. So I will take, oh, already I have took numbers, right? So what I will do, I will first, what I will do, I will perform some filter operation. After that, I will filter this data based on some particular conditions, and after that I will apply some apply the map method. Okay, here I will do some perform some operation on that filter data. So if you want to do like that, then what I need to do, okay, I'll take marks only, right? So for that marks, what I'll do, marks dot, okay, stream stream dot stream dot, I will apply some filter. Okay, filter means what? I will take some even numbers. Okay, only even numbers. Even numbers means mark, this is lambda expression, mark 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 2 is equals to 0. What it will do, it will give me the even numbers. After that, what I will do, I will apply some math function on it. Okay, mark mark into, I will do 1.5. Okay, and after that, what I'll do, I will collect this as a list. That collectors dot as, here we will use to list. Okay, and I'll use, so here I need to use list of integer integer even list. So this is like we will do, right? So I will add some, what I will add, I will add here, no, one line between this like this. It will differentiate the code and data, whatever data is coming as output, right? Saved. Mm, this is 1.64. Right, mistake here. I'm going with this. I will use here to one here. Decompose successfully. Okay, once we will use that 1.5, it will use some different numbers. 0.5 data we are getting. So that's why it's giving some error. See, see, we got this. Okay, this value we got, but we need to print this one as well. I'll miss that one. Even list. Save it. Compile it. See. 76, 84, 100, 112, and 156. Even data. Even this 32, this becomes 32, 42, 50, 56, and 78. All are the even data. Okay. On that even data, after filtering the even data, we are multiplying with 2. And we are printing that even list. Okay. Like this. This is how we will use the map. So if you want to use work with the set, okay, I will take this one only as it is. All are, how the set works. Set will not take duplicates. Set here we need to use set dot off. Set dot off. And after that, I'm really sorry here. What do you do? This is going. So here what I do, I will keep this one, make this one as a set. All right. Set start. Set. Set. Here to set. That I will do this. This is how I'm going to print the. Now see here I will give some duplicate data. 38. How much data it will print? We'll see. Saved it. Compiled it successfully. Duplicate element, right? We are getting duplicate element here. So what will do? It will not take duplicate values. Set. It will not take duplicate. This is how we will use the map. We will see one more example. Okay, using the student class, right? Next video we will use that student class. Okay, which is already we have created, right? We will use that one. So for that, um, I have created student already, right? So we'll use that one only. So for that, I required some data. So which I already created, I'll use that only. So here this data is there. Okay, this is the student data I use. Okay. This is the data. And data. Here I will create some of the setters and getters. I will create setters and getters. Generate setters and getters using all fields. Right. Okay. And also I'll use that override that string method as well. string. Okay, this thing. Okay, we are going to perform some operation on this student object, right? So that's why I created some uh, mm, setters and getters and also with the student method. So this is lambda examples. Okay. So in this, what I will do, I will add some name. Okay, this is name, right? Alagnanda, Bhagirathi, Kaveri, Krishna, all are the names. So I want to perform some operations on this names, students name only, right? So for that I need to write some. See here, what is this student list? On this I will apply that string. So after that, what I will do, I will apply some map functionality. Map, I am using map. So what I will do here, okay, I will take this is a student, right? So I here I will use student. I'm providing the lambda expressions for implementing what I'm providing lambda expression for what the map internally contains functional as a functional interface, and it will contains and apply as an abstract method. So for that I'm providing here expressions. Okay, so here what I'll do, student, I want to give some name to this, additional name to this student name. Okay, student dot get yes name, right? So plus inside that I'll use space Alaknanda, Bhagirathi, Kaveri, Krishna. So Alagnanda, Bhagirathi, Kaveri, Krishna, all are the rivers of Hindustan. So Bharati, I will give the extra name for Alagnanda, Bharati, Bhagirathi, Bharati, Kaveri, Bharati, Krishna, Bharati. So this name I want to add with this name. So like this, I am applying the our some map functionality on this name. So here I am going with only name, right? Student name. So here it will not return the entire student objects, this 101 student ID and their mark. It will return only the names of the student. Okay. This thing we need to understand very carefully. So after that, what I'll do for each method, I need to provide a implementation for the name. Okay. Here I'm taking name, right? Because from this we will get names only, not a student ID and student marks. So here what I will do, use just out, right? Just out name. I will remove this one and I will save it. Save it, compile it. We'll see what is the output is coming. Sri Alakananda Bharati, Bhagirath Bharati, Kaveri Bharati, Krishna Bharati. We have added some name, right? Extra name to this student name. Okay, here now we are getting, we are working, applying some, you are performing operations on only the name, get as name only, right? So that's why it is coming only names, either coming that full student object, right? If I use here one more time, get uh, get marks, what it will give, we'll see. Saving it, compiling it, running it. See, 82.25 Bharti, 90.5 Bharti. Okay, like this. Okay, here you are providing the marks, then it will going with the marks. Here you need to provide the names, then only give it here. Whatever fields on which you are performing operation, that fields only we will get the data, right? This is a very important to understand, right? The next example is what? I'm performing some operation on this data only, right? So what I will do now, I will perform some operation on that marks. Okay. So what I will do, student list, right? Student list dot string. What I will do, first of all, I will filter out some filter this data based on some condition on marks. Okay, I'll apply some condition on marks, and according to that, I will filter the data. Mm, so here dot filter. Filter what I will give here. Okay, student 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 dot. I'm applying condition on what marks. Get marks here. Marks are greater than how much I will use 90.58, 80.25, 90.54. Okay, so I will use here 91. 91. Okay, marks which are greater than the 91, those data will be filtered. So which data here will it will take 92.55 and 95.55. Okay, so these two data it will take. So after that I will give this and math, right? Math inside student I will provide the expressions for this to implement that apply abstract method, right? So here what I will do, student dot set marks. I want to add or remove some marks or whatever operation we will perform on this mark, right? That expression we need to provide here, right? So what I will do, currently we are this mark, right? Or student, sorry. Student dot student dot get marks. Okay, get marks, and what I'll do, I'll add some extra marks. Okay, extra marks plus 2 marks I'm going to add. Okay, so what this map method it will do, it will after applying, okay, the operations it will return some result. Okay, as I already told, right, here in the first line only, interval take the function interval, and see here I mentioned r return something. Okay, you take input as a t and return as a r. So here I am taking this one, I'm adding in this marks, I'm adding plus 2 marks. So here what I will do, I will return what I will return what I will return here, I will return student. Okay, student, and here I need to provide, I need to complete these lines, right? Student, oh my god, student, I need to complete the, here is my curly braces are here. I'm returning some data means I need to use the curly braces. In the first today only I have mentioned the thing, right? So after that, what I'll do, I will print for each student, yes out student. Like this, I will use the things. Okay. So what it will do, it will first of all what it will filter. Okay. Whichever data marks are greater than 91, it will take those data only 92 and 95. So after that, what are we doing? We are adding. inside these marks only. Just 92 and 95 we are adding plus 2 marks and returning the object. Which object? This student objects, and we are building that student one by one. So for that I have saved this one. I will compile it and run it. Compiled successfully, run successfully. See, student SID 121 has named Kaveri, marks 94.54. Okay, this 92 plus 2, that is nothing but 94.55, and the student ID is 131, as student name is Krishna, mark 97.54. Like this we will use the map function. Sorry, map function is not a method. Okay, like this we will use. See, using the Java SE8 features, your code reduces significantly. So that's why in the current market, it is very important to use the SE8 features. Sorry, not I'm sure or not. Okay, let's see. This one is this. This is the first one. This I added the Bharati, and after that I applied some filter the data, and after that I have added plus 2 marks. Like this only we will do in real-time project also. So this is how the map method will we use in our requirement, right? Map is a method which you use to perform or apply the operations on every element in a sequence. Sequence means one by one. Internally, it takes the function as a functional interface. Okay, and it is having only one abstract method. The abstract method is apply, which will take type T as an input and it will return as R. Okay, this is how we will use the map method. Okay, so that's it for this session. Please do like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and we will see some other features of Java SE8. That is nothing but in the next session we will use that reduce method. Okay, so thank you so much.